Hello everyone, so today is February 24th. It's been just about 2 weeks since my last garden update, and a lot has already changed, so I figured I'd give you another little tour, show you what is going on, and I'll just keep updating about every 2 weeks or so we can follow along with the garden. Okay, let's go look at the garden. There's Tony. Okay, so if we just turn around here, here's the front of the house, and in this little bed right here, we transplanted some daikon radishes and then a bunch of cilantro. Then all over here we just put a bunch of herb seeds. Okay, and then here is where Lucas planted a lot. He has some arugula. And it's cool to see the mycelium that's just all over on top of the soil here. So he mostly just has arugula and some radishes growing. We've been frost-free recently, so we haven't been able to cover everything up. And here on the fence line we hung our old gutters from the house, and in there we'll be planting strawberries. Then over here beyond there next week we're going to plant out all the figs and berries. Here right by the entrance to the front door we planted our favorite little green onions. Those are just ones I bought from the grocery store and just regrew them like I like to do. Let me get my journal so I can show you guys what we're looking at. So here in bed number 5, I actually sowed, I think 9 days ago, I sowed a cover crop of radish, pea, clover, and mung bean. You can see it's germinated very well. So in this first bed here, it's a 24-foot bed. We have sowed 12 different varieties, and it's all from my own seed that I saved from my garden last year. So this first chunk we have deer tongue lettuce, red Russian kale, green onion, red mustard, spinach, lettuce, arugula, cilantro, sweet Valentine lettuce, bok choy, green curly kale, and a lobed lettuce. I'm getting some pretty good germination. And it's cool that I'm just so proud that I saved all these seeds myself. So we'll just watch everything come up. And what else have we done? We've started to bang in the fence posts for the fence. So we'll be putting a fence here, kind of all along. There'll be a little entrance into the garden space. The fence will go over to there, and we'll have another little entrance to the garden right here. Well, here in front of the fence, we've started to put down cardboard, started sheet mulching. So this will be my pollinator garden. So I'll probably make it twice as wide, kind of extend it out this way and extend it all the way along the fence line. Because my vision for this is to have all wildflowers, and then I want like a little path going down the center of it so we can walk through and admire all of the bees and butterflies. Okay, so that's kind of, we have more cardboard to put down there. Lots of more seeds to sow. But yeah, everything's looking really good in the garden. And then I'll show you what we'll be transplanting out next week. So these are all the plants I brought with me from last year, the old house. And like all of them are starting to bud out. Here's a loganberry and a tayberry. So they need to get in the ground. As well as like the goji berry and all my blueberries, figs, my asparagus bucket right here. All of these guys need to get transplanted. Then all of my strawberries, And like my mint and some of my other herbs are all starting to grow now. So we're going to put all the strawberries and the gutters on the fence. And then a lot of those guys are going to go next to the house. One other exciting thing, it's been really warm here in North Carolina. And all of these daffodils popped up. And it sure does make our lovely trash pit a little bit prettier to just have all these beautiful daffodils coming up. Okay, so that wraps up this little garden update. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't gardened before, it's not too late to get started. Throw some cardboard down, start smothering out the grass and getting the area ready for spring planting. You could also get a compost pile started right now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope that you have a great week.